Welcome! Today is Monday and we'll start a new week. Also, we'll do new things in this class. We will review some topics, but we will learn new ones. Are you ready? Let's start with our rules for this class. Rule number one, get your materials ready. I don't remember if it's number one, but it's one of the rules. Get your materials ready. Your book, pencils to write with, eraser, colors, okay? Another rule is once you start the video, you stay until the end. You may not go away. You can pause the video only to write answers, take notes, check some information, but you have to complete your class at once. Another topic, another rule is what? To think and speak English. Think and speak in English. When I talk to you, answer back. I can't hear you, we know that. But I want you to feel like you were in a regular class. I talk to you, answer back. Do it in English. Same thing, if I'm explaining something but you have a comment, do it in English. If you have questions, think about it in English. Okay? Good. If you're ready, then let's start. The topic today is sequencing words. That's a very simple topic, really. Sequencing words are words we use every day. When we try to explain a process, a procedure for something, or the order in which we did some actions, we use sequencing words. For example, well, since this is really simple, let's start on page 91.
Okay, let's read the title. We mentioned it before, but let's read the title again. Sequencing words. Now the information in the grammar box. Sequencing words help us understand when an event is taking place. Look at the table to see examples of sequencing words that signal the beginning, middle, and end of a story. Come on, this is easy. Super easy, I would say. Now, there's a chart there, a table, a diagram, a list. You can call it whatever you want to call it. And then it gives you a list of words that show sequence. And it shows you which words you can use at the beginning of a story, in the middle of a story, or at the end of a story. Let's go through them just so that you know, no, just so that you can see these are familiar words. These are words that you've read before and that you've used before. Beginning words. Beginning sequencing words. Ready? Go. First, to begin, one day, first of all, it all started when, in the morning. Sequencing words that go in the middle of a story. Next, then, later, before long, eventually, in the afternoon. Now let's read the sequencing words that go at the end of a story. Finally, at last, in the end, lastly, after all, at night. Okay? You see, they are all familiar words or expressions. We've read this before. Now, the next piece of information under the table, we can use these words to tell a sequence of events. There are many sequencing words, but all of them help us understand in what order things happened. And they are always followed by a comma. Okay, don't forget that. We need comma after all these words. Now, okay, the first activity, well, the only activity in this page is absolutely a piece of cake. That's why I'm not helping you. You read instructions and you do it. You can stop the video, do the activity, and then keep going with the class. Go, go, go. I'll be here. I'm not going nowhere.
Really good and very, very easy, wasn't it? Let's now go to page number 92. There we'll have more practice for this same topic, so go. 92, please.
Well, we are on the next page, which is, I don't remember. You should be looking at it. Now, read instructions for that activity. Add sequencing words in the blanks to help show the order of events in the story. Remember to add a comma after each sequencing word. What you have to do here is, at the beginning, choose one sequencing word that goes at the beginning. At the end, choose one sequencing word that goes at the end. Whoa, yeah. And then in the middle, you choose, of course, read the information in order to know which one fits better, okay? And then in the middle, you choose words, sequencing words that go in the middle. Oh my God, this is a piece of cake. It is. For the next activity, what you have to do is write at least a minimum of 3 sentences. You can write more, but minimum of 3 to tell what is happening according to the pictures. Underline the sequencing words you choose. Class, at this point, I really need you to write complete sentences. I remind you, a complete sentence has a subject and a predicate. You can use all the things that you have learned in this class. You can add pronouns, adjectives, if clauses, direct object, indirect object, write your sentences in present, in future. You see? Please do not give me baby sentences. Of course, baby sentences, I mean simple sentences. I need you to write complete, complex sentences. Sentences that a sixth grade student should be able to write now. Okay? Good.
Excellent. Really, really good. Now, remember, we finished those 2 pages here in class, so you take pictures of your book pages and you send them. We call it homework, but it's not actually homework. No, it's work we did in class. Your homework will be like extra work, will be page number 90. Page number 90, which is about the colon. You might be thinking to yourself, what? In class we did sequencing words, but the homework is about something else? Yes, but remember, it's not completely different. Topics like sequencing words help you understand activities like the homework page, like page 90 about the colon. Remember, like in the instructions, you will read. First, you read your sentences. Then, you circle this and that. Later, you please write. Those are sequencing words. That's how the topic in today's class is related to the homework, the page for homework. Okay? Good job. I'll see you next class. Bye bye.